President Chongkaseng San Perthai National Congress Party NCP ke Jala Meghalaya Saleng Sangma ulami no nakini kaseng ba Leit ban pyniasoh no yalade bat kaseng Congress banyakon yak MLA election arajar arpulai na Gambegre constituency lapidang sobhai Saleng da media coordinator kaseng Congress Matthew Anthony hakijalang kebelalong hakalatsking ublay Chongkatayo
Haka arpulai terik kelalengkot arajar arpulai UMLA keseng Nationalist Congress Party ubami kemat naka Gambegre constituency hak district West Garo Hills Saleng Sangma klamino na keseng NCP hadin bule no ek jinglong MLA bat ulai pyniasoh no keseng Indian National Congress. Hagani kejuk kesngi rengkat Saleng Sangma UMDC ka sutenga nongkliak constituency hak district East Gentle Hills uba Richard Lingdo ule pyniasoh keseng Congress. Yakini ki arngot akan kesngi la pediang buram ha gejingelang kebelalong ha Congress Bhavan Hashelong ha kabala pediang buram iki du President ka MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala. Rengkat media coordinator All India Congress Committee Matthew Anthony rengkat bergiwe di ginong alam jong ke MPCC. Habakran ni ginong patai kubor ginong alam jong ke MPCC kiloong pada kejingwan rung dekot kini ki arngot kamtam Saleng Sangma. Ubalong teng udekot jong ke Kongres mensyua kan penklan ya keseng Kongres menta. Nagaliang Saleng Sangma ulong ba ulawan pai biang sya keseng Kongres kedai hadian bagi bala beseng ni mensyua Kim Don Shu berkeseng Kongres bat ukermen bagani kejingwan rung biang sya Kongres ba unjob dan buram hangani kenti. Hagani kejingwan pyniasoh kini ki arngot sya keseng Kongres lawan senderan langru da kino kersan jong kini ki kertong.
And then moreover, the area, for example, the border area, which was not even a disputed area, like Khanapara. Now it has been given away to the, Assam. The disputed area was Block 1, Block 2 and the Lampi. It was not supposed to be touched. Why the MDA government has touched? And then moreover, we have seen lots of masterals, okay? They have been kicked out from the job, who was working for so many years. What about the contractual teachers? They have been working for so many years. They have been kicked out. So these are the simple mathematics, you can say. And then what about the schools which were supposed to be here in Meghalaya that was tendered in, Manipur? Just imagine the amount of money that we have pushed back to Delhi, 4,000 plus crore. Have you gone through that one? That means why we cannot use that 4,000 plus crore and send back to Delhi. We need not have to be, educated for those things. It's very clear, loud and clear. It's very vivid, actually. It was there. So, these are the areas. If the people wants, the same thing in the future, let them be. It's the people choice only. If the people wants a difference, let there be a difference. I never join. I'm not scared. Why would I be scared when the God is by my side? Just tell me. I'm joining Congress. You all know that. It's a bigger platform. Now NCP I just had only one, and then I've been talking about the NCP and trying to, make their presence felt every now and then. And till the last breath, I have already talked about the NCP, right? So it's not about anything. It's not about the board bank, this and that. It's about me, myself, and my people. Okay? And then with the Congress, at least we can work together. And the objective of joining the Congress is for the people, not for me. You get it? So kindly do not phantom me, regarding the ugly desire.
You were kicked out by a certain leader from Congress, and now you are back. How do you differentiate then and now?
The person who kicked out, the person who kicked out are no longer there. That is one thing. Another thing is that he was a coward. He could not stick, with the Congress. That's why he left Congress and he joined TMC. So that's why I'm in.